This is everything that I got for one of my TikTok besties. She has literally had the worst week, so I wanted to make her a package to cheer her up. Victoria and I love our Stanleys. She wasn't able to get her hand on one of the pink ones, but I was, so she's gonna be so happy when she sees this. Her favorite color is pink. When I saw this pink Steve Madden handbag, I knew she would love it. We both have a love for Squishmallow. This is a strawberry jam named Jana. Look at these cute stickers that I found from Five Below. She is a planner girly, so I know she's going to love this. I did also get her a pack of my favorite pens. This adorable Mama's Got a Latte to Do Today journal pad. I love that this is coffee and pink themed. I saw these really pretty clips at TJ Maxx and I couldn't decide on which ones to get her, so I got her both. She's been mentioning to me how she needs some sandals for summer. And I saw these, I knew she had to have them. I hope they fit. I'm not sure if she likes strawberry shortcake or not, but when I saw this at Target, I felt like she needed to have it. These are the Skims dupes that we find at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. They're by the brand Sincerely Jules. I found a pink one in her size. Not sure if she already has this, but hopefully she doesn't. Victoria and I both just got the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I know she loves Bratz, so she had to have this. This brand is amazing. It's by Velvet Caviar. I did get it on Amazon. My bestie is a mama to a 3-year-old, so I felt like this candle was a necessity. I know she loves pink and I know she loves a gingham. So this just had her name written all over it. When I was checking out, I saw this little hand sanitizer holder and the matching hand sanitizer, so I figured she can put it on one of her bags. You guys know I take Bloom religiously. If you're my family or my bestie, I'm gonna send you these no matter what because it tastes good and it's good for you. I got her this cute mug. I got her my favorite face wash of all time. My favorite hair leave-in treatment from Olaplex. I got her a Fenty gloss in the shade Glass Slipper. The Crumb Shop My Melody hand soap and this Hello Kitty macaroon lip balm. Some lip patches, and top the box with a bunch of candy. Last but not least, this beautiful card by Judith Lieber.